We good, we good, we good? Maybe? Let's hope so. Maybe? Receiving content. Come on, YouTube. You can do it! Slick. Go away. Alright. So, it's the 5th of November. We all know what that means. Remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason, and plot. Also known as Anonymous Day. Let's hack something. It's Anonymous Day. Let's hack something. I haven't done that in, about 24 hours. Update on pixel car racing. I figured out a lot of the bytes. I figured out how to do money, diamonds. Did not figure out crates. What else did I figure out? Figured out how to add more cars. So let's do an update real quick on Pixel Car Racer, because that'll be a little bit more fun than this. Well, okay, I'm not going to say that. Let's do an update to Pixel Car Racer. So I'll just do a mod real quick of Pixel Car Racing. I'm just going to use this game save. So we're actually going to edit it with Notepad because it's a lot easier. I made that huge. Easy password is easy. Oh, I should probably put YouTube on my other monitor. Oh, I totally forgot I was going to install StreamLabs. Oh well. Pixel Car Racer. So let's go into root browser. Update. I have not yet started on the game save editor itself. Oh, that went up. But the more I understand it and modify it, the sooner I'll be able to start it. So we're just going to do an update on this real quick. I'm going to rename this so we still have it technically. And we're going to modify this one. So, figured out a few things yesterday. Let's see. So, we need... So, right here, this 244 is... I cannot mod engines yet. That's a different file. I'll be able to do that soon, though. But this right here, these sets of bytes are for diamonds. So, if I go... Oops. 8B. That should give me 800 some diamonds or gems or whatever they want to call them. So that's diamonds right there. Let me open this up here because I'll recognize it more on this screen. So that's diamonds. 20 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 away. That's cash. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So this is cash. You have to leave the 4 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 has to be there. It signals the end of money. So that should be $180,000, I think. From there, we move on to cars. Cars are a little bit more difficult, a little bit finicky, but from this byte you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, F03F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's another car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, F03F. That's another car. And then the one thing that we have to do as well is 1, 2, 3, 4. Did my internet just die? No. Whatever. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I believe it was 20 from that 4. Oh, I don't know because I don't have multiple. We're not going to modify that. It'll just give me whatever it gives me. So I should have a bunch of cars. I should have a bunch of diamonds and some cash. So we're going to save that real quick. We're going to drag and drop it to here. Go away. You don't need to be on the screen anymore. But I will need that eventually. So we're going to drag and drop this here. 631, 631. Cool. So we're going to close you. Close you? Home. SD card. Photos. Pictures. Because for some reason it puts it here. We're going to move it to data. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. I don't really care. I'm going to do what works, basically. Studio. There we go. So now my account should be modified. Pull this up just to give you guys the update from last night's stream. Since it is the 5th of November, it's Anonymous Day, I guess the only right thing to be doing is hacking something. So as you can see, I have $131,000 because I'm modifying the cache. I have 864 gems. I've not figured out crates yet. I have 3 cars. So I didn't quite modify the cars correctly, but that's okay. It's still a learning process. One of them is orange. I don't know why it's a Subaru. I don't know why this is NNH. And that car is that car. But as you can see, I don't have the extra slots and I still have a 3rd car. So that means I can easily hack cars into parking spaces that don't really matter. So there's that. And then if we go into Stealership, go here, you can see I have the Subi, I have NNH, but for some odd reason I don't have that 1st car. And I don't know why that is. But I can easily just sell this car and move on from there, or sell this car and move on from there and make the cash. So that's the updates for now on Pixel Car Racer. Let's get into a new game, because that's actually the point of today's stream. Somebody requested this game yesterday. Figured I'd go at it live, as I've never played it before. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? I don't... Oh, I already put it in a folder. That's right. Car parking. I was looking in the P's for parking. So, 429, you guys know how I work. Make the backup folder, and then we're going to open this up, extract the APK from the XAPK. And we're going to copy that out here. That's the APK we'll be modifying. And then from there, let's browse through the APK, because we have no idea what we're doing, because I haven't even played this game yet. So that's going to make it really hard to modify. Public suffixes is not anything important. It is IL to CPP, so this is going to be boring. Proto buffs. Okay. Interesting. Tapjoy. God, Tapjoy is annoying. TrueNet. I've never heard of TrueNet. Kotlin. Huh. Internal. Interesting. Let's look at assets. Settings. Let's start with settings, because that's always fun to mess with. Whoa, I forgot my text was huge. Holy crap. Alright. So these are the settings for the game. Display mode. Log overlay is false. Max visible lines. I can probably modify some of this stuff. Emails. That's interesting. close this out. Let's see what else there is. There's an index file. That's never a good thing to have in your game. It's not as hard as people really think, at least in my own opinion. I think it's actually realistically pretty easy. You just have to know where to look for tutorials and things like that. So this is just some random HTML web page. Let's see what it actually is. Let me open it in Firefox. I don't know why I did it that way. I have it right freaking here. Oh, it's it's their terms of service and shit. So one thing you can do with those, give me 1 second. I need to open my email on my other monitor to actually get the code for this because I haven't used it yet. Okay, hold on. No, I created a login for this. So a lot of you guys know that way back when I was doing 1320 challenge stuff, there was an option on the website to mine cryptocurrency. It didn't work very well. It really didn't work very well. But there is a way to do it on mobile. We'll do tutorial. I do not have a wallet address because I do not know where my wallet file is. Shoot. Let me go back to my email because it should be in there. R. Wonder if I signed up with my other email. Do not know where my Monero wallet was. At least not for online. It's in one of my folders. I don't want to give out the key for my wallet, though, because that would be very stupid. Monero wallet key. I should have put the URL in this text file. I found my Monero wallet key. Online Monero wallet. I guarantee you I just used my Monero. I don't want to download it. It was not my Monero. Maybe it, oh. Maybe it was XMR wallet. I think this was it. Hey, I got my wallet. Slick. All right, so give me 1 second here. Where'd the freaking website for... Oh, here it is. So, I don't know how many of you guys know, but you can do a online cryptocurrency wallet. And yeah, it's not that hard. You can put it right on a web page. A lot of ad blockers and Google do not like it. That is just the gist of the thing. But I need my address. If anybody wants to send me cryptocurrency, there's my wallet. I don't really care about this. I don't know if that's going to show a password. Why not? Oh, I should have guessed that's what my password was. Oh, okay, I need to leave that alone. So we're going to do Monero. There we go. Okay, I got things set up. I understand it. So this is going to generate a JavaScript miner. What this basically does is gives you all right, we're going to set up we'll do this, Monero hash. There we go. Save. So this gives me the coin for the script for my Monero wallet. What I can do is copy this, and in the HTML of that index page that they have running on their APK, I can just hijack this whole thing and hide a cryptocurrency miner in it right here. So we'll save it, and I'll show you that it's in it. Actually, I guess it's not. It's in the background probably, since it's just a script. Copy and paste the code into the website header. Oops, I can't read. Head. So you want to put it here. Save. I should really read things before I do them. Huh. I wonder why it's not showing on screen. Oh, idiot moment. My ad blocker's probably blocking it. Yeah, it's right here, but the ad blocker's blocking it. That makes sense. That's fine. That's fine. But that's basically how you just add a cryptocurrency miner to a APK mod. If there's a way to get the file to run in the background, it's very simple to just have an always running miner, which is pretty cool. And you can just go from there and have a Bitcoin miner basically just sitting inside your APK. Well, not Bitcoin, but like Monero or something like that. Boot config. What do you do? HDR enabled. Ooh, that'd be nice. I don't think Android phones, well, you gotta have a really nice phone to have HDR. So we're gonna do an IL to CPP folder here, global. Go all the way back to the library stuff, lib IL to CPP, and now we just need the dumper. And I also need to install the game. I need the XAPK installer. Save, open. There we go. Cool. So I got the XAPK installer. Now I just need to drag and drop the XAPK over so I can install the app and not have to worry about it. So we go xapk installer. It finds it. We're going to install the APK here real quick. Yeah, I know. Because you don't know what xapk. I bet you this game doesn't work on Android 5.0. Oh, that's a fail. Uh-oh. Minimum Android version. 5.0 plus. Oh, sorry. Uno momento, por favor. There it goes. We're just going to do it this way. Car parking. Look at them ads. Cool. I'll just download it again from here. There we go. So I'm going to wait for that, but while we're waiting for that, I'm going to do the IL to CPP dump. As much as I hate IL to CPP. Car parking, 429. There we go. That's not what I wanted, and that game I am no longer modding. Oh, shit. I need to know what Unity version. Easiest way to figure out Unity version is just go into here, find like a split file. 2019.2. 2019.2.1. We'll actually just copy and paste this. I think it just needs the 2019.2, but I'm not sure. I can go 3. There we go, it's dumping it. So that's the best way to get the Unity version, is just open up a split file or something. Is it done? It is done. Cool. We're going to try this again. This is stupid. Try this again. Jesus Christ, what a pain in the ass. Mod cool math games? Oh god. Don't tempt me. Just kidding. That is not something probably worth modding. I'll be real with you. Anyway, now that that's dumped, we need dnspy. Go away. Folder, dnspy. We need you. Cool, nothing here. A lot of people still prefer using the dump.cs file that comes from dumping the game. I prefer using this just because it's what I'm used to. Just opening stuff this way, it's easier. But as you can see, the almost engine, interesting. Examples, exit game, client stuff. Okay. So what we want to find is something like camera info. That's interesting. We want to find car cameras. Car controller is probably going to have nothing interesting. All voids. That's grand. Car controller 2. All voids. Useless. Car damage. Useless. Car data. Everything's a void. Like, I can't modify this. This might be a fail. Huh. I see why it's difficult to mod this game. Pretty much everything is just a void. It doesn't return as, like, bool or something like that. I wonder if there's an old version, what the oldest version of this game is, and if it was DLL. I bet the oldest version of this game sucks. Car parking APK. Well, I got version 3.4 downloading, so let me see real quick. Even version 3.4, which is pretty old at this point, compared to the 4.2.9 that's out now. It's also IL to CPP. I wonder if there's like a 3.3. Trying to see. Doesn't look like there's anything older than 3.4. Let's see if this APK is the same. Is this the same game? I swear I'm not ignoring you guys, I just can't see the screen at the moment. Car parking multiplayer. Let's try searching that. Is there a way to see older versions on Google Play? I don't know. I don't think there's a way to see older versions on the Google Play Store. Oldest version I'm seeing is 3.4, and from this other website that I'm looking at, it's 4.1. I don't think this is it, because it doesn't look the same, but it might be. Let's see. It's got that icon. Found it here. What is the oldest version you guys got? Not old at all. Useless. APK Monk. Might have found version 1.1. 3.97 is the oldest this website has. Yep, I found version 1.1. Please work. Yes, we got version 1.1, I think. All right, I'm coming back to chat. I can see you guys now. We're going to close this, and we're going to keep looking for ways to modify cars here. All wheels on ground, float. That's car dynamics, car lifter. Nothing fun there. Car move. Car out in control. Okay, that's an interesting thing. Check car for enter. There is not much to this that's actually moddable so far. Unlock car, like I can't even unlock all cars so far. Cell tree, that's useless. Chat input, that's always fun to mess with if you have a DLL access. Cloud region, so I could change where or what server you're on if there's multiple servers. That's interesting. Maybe. We don't know yet. Custom terrain, custom types. Dashboard info. Again, pretty much nothing that you can mod. Dog move. This game has some interesting function names, I'll give it that. Do not obfuscate GUI. Okay. Yeah, there's... It's not that it's not encrypted or anything, it's just all voids. And I am not well versed on returning voids. Drivetrain. It's either a float or a void. Find rate point, that's on ground, that's pointless. Wait, is that a fuel consumption? Huh. Cool. Equip items, that's useless. Random item. Error code stuff, event code, extension, fast mobile bloom, first person launcher, fuel tank, let's see. It's all floats. And well, I do have a way to modify floats if I go to Sinful Android. I don't like modifying them because, for me at least, they've never really worked. But again, that's just me. So let's see what this 1.0 APK looks like real quick. I bet you it's still IL to CPP. It is. So even version 1.0 or 1.1 was IL to CPP, which sucks. But it is what it is. So gotta stick to it. Current fuel. I just really hate doing floats. They never work. I'll do it as a last resort if we don't find anything anywhere else. Ow. Okay, that was my wrist. There is just nothing to this game to modify. See why people were saying it's kind of hard. Main control. Whoa. See, like, yeah, everything's a void. There's just not really anything here. There's not even get and sets, which is just poor programming. Is there like a player? Ah, so it's using the Photon engine for multiplayer player data. Let's see if there's anything in here. There's add friend. Let's see. Can add friends, can tow. Car price. Count all stickers. Alright. Doesn't help I haven't played the game. Should have just stuck with Pixel Car. At least I've played that game. Oh, great. What'd you do? I guess you could say you bought everything. Yeah, there's not much here. There's not even like player money or whatever for unlocking a car that I see. Server settings are always fun to mess with. Let's see. Again, just nothing to modify. I've actually seen that happen. Huh. Yeah, this sucks. There's like nothing to this game to modify so far. Gotta scroll up all the... I guess I could just do this. Hotkeys, Unity version, example, screenshot. Yeah, this game kind of sucks. This game really sucks for modding. I'm gonna go back to Pixel Car Racing. Good lord, that really sucks to mod. Let's see. Maybe there's another game we can modify. You can see why nobody has a mod for that game. What other racing games are there? Because we know that's what I'm going to do, is a racing game. Let's see, latest update. Let's see. So we're going to search just for a random game here. Let's see what they got on here. I have never played Fortnite and do not intend on playing Fortnite ever. Stupid. I wonder, is this game DLL still? Version 666. I just want to know what they use for the game now. Stupid. I think I've played Drag Battle before. It's kind of fun. EV3 is always worthless. Racing Classics Pro, Drag Race, and Real Speed. CSR 1. Drag Racing CSR Race Car. This sounds like a real knockoff. Oh boy, it's not even English. It's a knockoff of CSR. We're downloading this. Is this DLL or IL to CPP? Damn, it's IL to CPP now. Oh. I hate IL to CPP modding. It's no fun whatsoever. I don't think I can because I'm pretty sure it's IL to CPP, and I do not yet have it down on how to do it on that. Let me see. Oh, the guys over at Android Republic have problems modifying games like the One Piece game. You really don't want to see me try it. 1.2 gigs to download. Holy crap. We're going to find a way to do this because this game sounds hilarious. I'm just going to like delete that because it's worthless to me. GT Speed Racing is what we're going to call it. I'm going to open this up, pull the APK, hope that it's not IL to CPP. Please don't be. Yes! DLLs. Oh, let's go. Ooh, we found a game to play. What's up? Welcome to the chat. DLL. Boss Alien. Why is there Boss Alien stuff in here? Isn't that some of the creators of CSR1? Didn't they at least help out with the game? Interesting. What Unity version is this using? 5.6.7. Well, thank you, sir. Or ma'am. I don't actually know if you're a guy or a girl, so I guess I should not assume genders. Where did I close DNSpy and not realize it? I closed DNSpy out of frustration and did not realize it. What other... Yeah, let's see if this is... I just heard somebody grind a horrible gear. Please learn how to drive stick. Oh my god. I can modify that maybe later. But 1.2 gigs, good lord, that's huge. Oh, hello. I swear, all this stuff uses the same base game of whatever. Does it have multiplayer? They snuck it in there. They snuck it in there. It's in there. They tried. They got to get that keyword. That is very true, Sean. I've never messed with Standoff 2. Is that DLL or... I think it's IL to CPP. Good lord, what is with all these huge APK files? Or XAPKs? Large OBBs, whatever. Oh, I'm sure it's simple. It's just I'm lazy, and I hate IL to CPP because it's boring. So that's why I always look for DLL-based games, because then you can do a menu. I totally forgot I was going to open up... Well, we're going to close Charles. I need... Come on. Come work with me. Maybe I'll mess with it later. No promises, though, just because I hate IELTS to CPP. Remove this, you stupid thing. Remove. Thank you. I was hitting delete like 19 times. The closest to a shooting game I've ever played is actually going to... Well, so I've played Black Ops Zombies in the past, and I was not good at it. Actually, I'm not really good at any first-person shooter. I used to play Combat Arms like it was my job. I hacked Combat Arms about as much as I hacked... That's interesting. They literally have a thing called CSR. Huh. Interesting. But Combat Arms was the other game that I played just as much as I played Legends. Why am I still wearing shoes? This is uncomfortable. By the way, I got a stupid good deal on Jordans. I have Jordan Air 1s, and I paid $10 for them. Let's see what we can do here. So, first I want to find player stuff. Because I want money. There is multiplayer, it looks like. Uses photon. Pick up, pin, pinch, player box. Has been set up. No idea what you mean. I guess it would help if I played the game. Player crew, player data, player diamond. Doesn't seem to mean anything. Player info. Name validate. You know what we're going to do here. Because it's a string. Alright, so now it's always me. And I am definitely a star. Star player info, 1 star, 3 star, 2 star. Star 3. I mean, I've played a good lord ton of games. I just don't play that many games anymore. I've never seen This Is. That's interesting. Can I do that? I'm going to leave that off and I'll do it elsewhere. Player info component, player list item. Whoa. Player preferences. That's just a bunch of baloney. Player profile. Did they have to make it this easy? They had to make it this easy. It's this. The code is almost exactly the same as CSR. Anybody that wants to get back into DLL modding in a racing game, so far this code is nearly identical to CSR 1. This is insane. This is awesome. It's... Oh my god, it's almost exactly the same. Yeah, fuel manager instance, current max... I wouldn't be surprised if this is a licensed game. Give me 1 second. Anyway. Oh, I've been modding games for a very, very long time. But yeah, this code... This game was licensed out. This is a licensed out version of CSR. It's a clone. It's either a clone or licensed. Is it really? Oh. Is there an English version of your webpage? No? Okay. I mean, my stream health is fine. I have 0 dropped frames. I'm running a 6.5 megabyte upload, which is about 720p. Everything that is to be known about the Legends project is on the Discord. I have no idea. I don't know what I have no idea. So yeah, this is a licensed game. Cool. So we found a new version of CSR to mod. Yeah, it should be 72060. Is this code similar to 1 or 2? I want to add a menu to this. Probably do it here. I want to add a menu to this. I just need to find a good place to add it. Let's see here. Hub GUI, name pick, demo ownership, key mappings. So that's all the on GUIs right here. I could probably do it here. Chat GUI, that's easy. So what I can actually do is just create a method called my basic menu. My basic bitch is what I wanted to call it, but that's okay. And then the other thing that I need to do is find my menu. I think it's in my documents. Yes, here it is. So I need a boolean like this. I wish you could duplicate. So it's a field. I need to create a field. So this is toggle text. And then it's a type, it's bool. Why didn't you let me set you as a bool? That is not what you are. Okay. There. Cool. And now from here, edit method. should be as simple as this. Just so the code doesn't disappear. Is basically all I'm putting this here for. So the code doesn't disappear, because obviously this stuff doesn't exist. So will this actually compile? Let's find out. Why are you being called as an external void? Should be that. There we go. Cool. So now we have a mod menu in here. You have to, when it comes to IL to CPP, you have to return the value as what it is. So if it's a bool, you have to return it as a bool. If it's a float, you have to return it as a float number. If it's an integer, it has to be a number. It has to be what it is. So if you did a return true on a float, it would just break the game because it's not a number and you return floats differently than you return anything else. This is a basic guide I wrote a long time ago. It should be somewhat helpful. And also, I don't think I have any PCs I'm willing to give away. Ever. Let's see. So now we go on GUI. We go edit method, and we need to call my basic menu. My basic menu. I don't know why. There we go. And now we should have a menu in this game. That was actually a lot easier than I thought. So I'm going to save this real quick to see if the menu even works. I guess I don't even know if the game works. Let's be real. I didn't think about that. I haven't even like installed the game to test it yet, and I'm gonna just straight install a modded version. Got it. This is where my head's at. There we go. So that's good. Can't remember. Was this? It was XAPK. So we're gonna go Nox. Install. The one thing I do not know how to do is strings. I do not know how to do strings at all. I think you need to do a lot more than just hex editing to do strings. So for example, you could do if you did an IL to CPP mod menu, you'd be able to do strings. But without doing it as a mod menu, as far as I know, you can't do it. So unfortunately, straight to just using a modified version. Let's see if I get a menu. This will be interesting. They don't even spell their name right anywhere. It's King Code with a K. They were spelling it with a C everywhere I saw. I don't care. Go away. English, please. I don't personally. I mean, I like know where to get. Only like a quarter of the game is English. Oh my god, this is terrible on the user interface. I get it. Let me do it. I mean, I probably would use auto toast, but I haven't released a mod in so long that I probably wouldn't use it, but I know it works. I've used it before in a long time ago. This is kind of terrible. I mean, cool cars. I have 98 gold thingies, so hold on. 98, and we're going to search it as... Not enum. I wanted, like, number string. There we go. Race reward screen, screen ID. There should be something like tutorial, I would think. Let me search 4,000. Something somewhere. That IEnumerators or IEnumerable. I've never modified one of them, so I don't think you can, but I could be wrong. Is there like a tutorial function in here? Hey Sean, you've modified CSR. Since this is basically CSR, is there like a tutorial thing somewhere where you think I could modify the starter cache and starter car? Yeah, you can not pretty much anything. That doesn't always mean that it's going to work, though. Unfortunately. Tutorial database. So it's some drag racing game that's based on the CSR drag racing game source code, it looks like, from what I can tell. I'm just trying to see what I can mod in here, because originally I was going to mod car parking, but there was just nothing in there that was worth modding. Where is this used? Because they mentioned it. Let me analyze. Bring up dialogue. Haha, I can mod that. Edit method. So we can actually just change this straight to like... Yeah, this is DLL. Hold on, let me see. I'll get the name of the game. GT Speed Club, drag racing CSR race car game. I don't know how long ago it released, but it's not very good. Only half the game is English. Oh wow, the original release was only 19 megabytes for the APK. Wow. So it's always just been huge on the OBB. Got it. But that was 2018. So it's not an old game. It's just not English. But that's why I'm modifying it, because why not? So we're going to modify... Actually, that's kind of pointless. I don't want to modify starter cache. If I can just go into my mod menu, wherever I put that, my basic menu. I forget what I even named that, or where it is. There we go. So if I just go into my basic menu, can I just do... What was it? Player info? Player prefs? Player profile? Actually, what I gotta do for that is I'll never understand why people floor it down my street. It's literally just a little stupid side street. Player profile. P profile. Oh, is there a get player profile? No. There is a username thing here. Chat GUI. Chat channel. Yeah, none of that is here. So P profile equals new player profile. And that should add it for me. And now I should be able to go in and do P profile dot add cache. There we go. And we're going to do I mean, this is the only place I have found an on GUI that I think is going to work, and that reminds me I should probably check and see if this is even going to show up, because I don't know. Oh, it's making me buy a car. Give me the green thing. I like green more. Okay, cool. Wow, that drops very slowly. I hate the text on this. This is terrible. I'm gonna like fix this or something. I don't know. I want to find a way. I'm just gonna tie with this guy because I had one bad shift. Oh my god, stop taking me through these pointless menus. I don't want this stuff. I should just set up keyboard shortcuts, but I'm not going to. Right now is like the worst time to hit NOS in this race. Would have wanted to hit it right when I hit third gear. The AI is even actually catching up. This game needs some mad help. They have the Joker. You can be the Joker. I don't want... Stop giving me tutorial crap. I really hate tutorial crap. Well, we see my one mod worked where everybody's username is going to be TechX now. That's interesting. That menu layout is terrible. I like the colored headlights. This game looks like it might have more options than CSR for car modifications. That's kind of sad. What is the camera? I can't read half this game, so I don't know. The game looks good. I'll give it that. What the hell just happened? This game is so broken. I bet you can Game Guardian this, unlike CSR. Oh wait, you could probably Game Guardian that too. Yes, I want English, even though you're still only like a quarter English in this game. Oh, hey, look! I get prizes! Yay! What is the phone icon? Best quality. We want better graphics, man. Let's see what we get with best quality. I mean, it's not terrible, I guess. I'm just going to continue with the tutorial to get it out of the way. Get the tutorial over with. It probably did get so happy that it crashed. Let's be real. The cars look great. The levels look terrible. I feel like it looked better on performance rather than best looking. I mean, the racetracks are a cool idea. Driving through an airport like this with the background like this. Oh, I beat him. I bet I wasn't supposed to. I still don't know what the cameras are for because I can't read the damn game. This is a Googled image. I used to have it for a wallpaper. Interesting. What are you? Leaderboards. What are you? No idea. I don't want to hit that because it breaks it. That just does camera mode. So is there actually no chat? Because that makes my mod utterly pointless. Let me see if there is a UE root. Well, let me do this first. 999. 999. P profile.add gold. Eight. P profile.add fuel. Let's see, get all themes. So yeah, it's just a modified CSR. Just wanted to see what all the gets were. Get player level, get player RP, get player star, XP. Oh, I guess I could have used this instead of what I did, but whatever. Upgrade delivery cost. Is this a bool? It is an integer. Interesting. Let's see. Add cash, add free upgrade. We need a ton of that. 666 of those. We're gonna hope this works. Still need to find out if there's a live chat, because I don't see one. But what we're gonna do is compile this for now. Yes, I know. Hold on. I might be able to do this here. Here's what we're gonna do. copy, paste, and then cancel, because I gotta do player profile. I gotta create it. I can't see you guys typing right now. Right? Or no, this is a field, sorry. Player type clear type player profile. Okay. Okay. There we go. And now in here, I'm gonna go back to edit. Go back into here. I should be able to copy and paste this shit. Why not? Oh, I did P player, didn't I? Oh, oops, that's why. That's okay. There we go. Cool. So we have our first. I know that's incorrect on the button, but whatever. So that's okay. But I still don't know how to get this menu to show up. UE root. I need to find an on GUI that actually works. There is no UE root. There is UE. Slice, are you still in here? Where would you put it? Because I am very outdated on this. Because I know it needs to go in and on GUI. So I did chat GUI thinking there'd be a chat. There's not a chat. So far, there's not a chat. Let me say that. Yeah, it just goes to this screen. Nope, never. I'm very disconnected from the world when it comes to it, to be honest. I don't really do anything. I probably just need to go more through the game. Everybody be TechX. I'm not. Oh, wait. No, we both drive the same car. Okay. This game is kind of terrible. Look at those graphics and just how, like, I wouldn't even call them Nintendo 64 level graphics. They're kind of terrible. Probably radar manager so you could control what you see on your radar. I know that's something a friend of mine's working on when it comes to at least Minecraft stuff. I know Minecraft is Minecraft and all, but yeah. So how do I not get a player chat? Is there really not a chat user interface? Level 7 or higher for that. We have no idea what this is. There's X-Class cars. Oh boy. Ah, these cars. I gotta beat people to unlock them. That's not a bad thing. All right, let's find a better place to put the menu. I'm actually just going to probably put it in every single on GUI until one works. To hub button. Where are you? To hub button. I'm going to do, because I'm a lazy ass, chat, type, clear, chat, GUI, and then from there, I'm so lazy. Edit method, chat dot my. Why can I not click my menu or select my menu? Do I have to do it as a get? Because that'd be stupid. Chat GUI, where are you? You know, here's me thinking this would have been easier, and so far it's not. There, we'll just do this. Go in the on GUI. Oh, I gotta make that text too. Where's my menu? Oh, up on my other monitor. 'Cause I'm awesome. Oops. I forgot about the Boolean text. Clear, clear, type, bool. Now it's just this. There we go. Let's try this. There we go. Close the game. It doesn't graphically look that bad. It's just interesting. The only things you can do on a bool are a true or false. That's all you can do on a bool. Give me my freaking menu. There we go. Give me my menu. What game are you thinking of, Fuji? I'm sure I can just add an on GUI somewhere. I think I just saw the text for a second. It flashed up for a moment. I swear it did. Let's relaunch the app and see. No idea, as I've never modified it. Get last position, though, would be something you could use in like a teleport hack. But doing that with IL to CPP you're not going to be able to do because that requires scripting elements. Or else you'll just be frozen in place and unable to move. No, it was just this. All I want is my freaking menu to work. Like, how hard could this be? What do I need to do to have a mod menu? There's, honestly, I don't think there is a way so far. I don't know why I don't have it. I've played that game. My PC doesn't like it, but I've played it. It's a fun game. But realistically, I'm pretty lazy. If it isn't a Unity game, I generally don't play it anymore. Here's what we're going to do instead. So since this is just being garbage... Oh yeah, there's a lot you can do in that game with just a simple hex editor. That is very true. So we're just going to get rid of this. And we're just going to have it show. What could go wrong? We're going to add it to just about everything. I'm going to add it to another one. Pick up demo. That doesn't look like anything useful. Huh. Real-time transition. That's nothing. I just need to find something that has code somewhere that I think could be... Go away! My neighbor's car is so garbage. I wonder if I'm not seeing chat because it's not connected to... It's not connecting to the internet. We're going to try that. Let's see what this game connects to, because this should be very interesting. So it's connecting to a server database. Tap cell. Let's enable. Still no mod menu. I'll click around. Yep, no mod menu. Well, this sucks. It is stick shift. It's Chevy Cobalt with a straight pipe and a MagnaFlow muffler, but like the car is literally terrible. I wouldn't trust myself in it or anybody else. I just want... Can I just add an on GUI somewhere? Let's go down to the UIs. UI. It's a really bad car. Let's see, currency back, compatibility, look at physics prototype, pinch prototype, window, unlock, fuel, unlimited fuel manager. Interesting. There is no fuel in this game, I don't think. Update text. Interesting. Apparently it's Persian. You gotta play a game at least for a little while to really understand how to mod it correctly. I have modded a few games that I just never did end up playing, but I never... Oh. Whether they were enjoyed or not, I can't really say. It's hard to say. Leaderboard records, currency pack. Interesting. Car item. UE camera. Let's see. I just want the freaking menu to show up. That's all I want. It is not an extern. Thank you very much. Excuse my nose. That one. Well, actually, here, we'll just copy this. I know not all of it is going to make sense. Compile. Let's see what that does. File, save module, number 3. This is literally what goes into doing this kind of crap. Guessing and checking. A lot of guessing and checking. Knox here, close this. Let's hope. Let's really hope. Oh, it's 8 o'clock. Forgot that my phone goes into do not disturb when I put it face down. Oops. Does it show up in settings? It does not show up in settings. Somebody once told me. Nothing here. Go next. No menu. No menu. That's a cool concept. Good way to just randomly take money from players. I'm going to click everything to see if it comes up. So far, no balls. I don't know why I'm not getting a menu. I should be getting something because it's here to draw it. Let me try going through. Well, I'm not going to win that. Try doing another race maybe. See what happens. Sure. Sure. Definitely need tires. We'll do stage 3. Cheapest option. What is it? Yay, I'm level 3. Cool. We'll try this. Try doing another race, see what happens. Oh, now it's easy. I'm about to just add the code to every single spot that there's an on GUI, though. Because that's how you're supposed to add the menu. I might just be an idiot. I don't know. I don't think so, though. I think it's just not showing up because it's a very poorly coded game. Oh yeah, I know you can mod the money in this game with Game Guardian. I'm not even remotely surprised. I really want the mod menu to show up instead. Haha, 69. My cat just sneezed. My cats are so weird. I really feel like there's not a way to... Oh. See? Maybe there is more... That is so ugly. Maybe I don't want to play this game anymore. Good lord, it's terrible looking. I say that now, and I'm going to mod the shit out of it once I get the menu working. And play it like forever, and eventually even try probably modifying the images and visuals to make it English. But realistically, I'm just sitting here editing CSR, so it is what it is. Cool. What else? Anything else? That's going to be difficult. You know what? We'll try it. It calls you babe. I feel like that's... No, I'm not going to make that joke. That's terrible. All right. I don't understand this problem with the mod menu. Is there more to this than I'm thinking there is? Let me close this. Let me see CSR. not an on GUI for that. Enhanced UI. That's nothing important. Whoa. No on GUI there, though. Probably would have told me, though, if there was. Gizmo type, sphere, and shit. No, I'm not making that joke. It was terrible. That's just... Oh, I probably should have made the joke, because that's how you end up on the front page of, like, CSN as a YouTuber. And then you get 1 million followers. So there's no on GUI here, but this looks like the hood they're using. So let's see how bad the code is. Is translating. Please translate. Translate more. I mean, the code's not bad. It seems like they know what they're doing. I just need to find... the stuff. I don't understand. Oops. How do I get this to show on screen? I don't actually know how to get this to show on screen. Oh well. How do I get this to work today? I just need to find something with hide UI. That's interesting. I really don't know. So I have the menu there. Another photon thing. I don't think any of this code is used, so it's not going to show up. It's a script for the actual tool to basically work correctly. I really don't see a way to get this damn menu to show up. I mean, I'll throw it in here. I'd really like to get this to work. Would be cool. that's in there. Maybe eventually. I don't know. It would make IEL to CPP fun for me, but the amount of work that goes into it, I don't know if I would personally find it worth it. I think that's all it takes. Is that all it is? I don't need to do anything weird. Nope. Perfect. So that's there. So now at least I'm not surprised. My internet sucks. Although I don't have any dropped frames. So I'm not sure. Button audio, cache manager, camera. That might be, well, does it actually really do anything? It doesn't seem like it. Car grid view. Let's add it here. Oh, I know your internet sucks. I've heard about it. One of these is going to work. It has to. I'm making it work. Huh. Putting it here might be smart. Oh, God, go away. I don't think much of this other stuff works. I've messed with Race Kings in the past, but it's been a very long time. I think when the game first came out, I messed with it. Oh yeah, and you get to own people in COD Mobile when you're using that. Just trying to figure out where can I put this damn stuff. Huh. Exitgames.com. What are you? Oh, it's Photon Engine. Yeah, this is a really old version of Photon. Wait, what game's still DLL and not obfuscator? Are you talking about this one? Or did I miss something about COD Mobile and need to go mod that? Oh, Race Kings, yeah, it's still DLL, that's true. I guess that could be something I could move to, but like, nah. I'm gonna go save module. 4. Alright, I put this menu freaking everywhere. If it doesn't work now, it's not gonna work ever. Yeah, I know there's mods already. I have a friend who actually was working on some. It's not exactly hard to mod, as far as I've heard. There we go. Please show up, you stupid menu. That's all I want. I want the menu to work. Watch it show up like 4 times suddenly. Player profile. Nothing. Oh, I can change this. I don't know why I'd want to. UE root. So when it comes to the functions, I don't see one specifically called UE root. I just saw like UE. Do I have to make UE root? UI root, whatever. Because there's one just called UE. UI. I don't know why I keep saying UE. But yeah, there's not one that's actually root. But I could make UI root, I guess, and put it there, see what happens. But for now, I'm just pasting it in random places to see what happens. I'll be honest with you. I put it in quite a few places that it should show up, I would think. But apparently not still. So like showroom, it's not going to show up there. Paint, it doesn't let me in there yet. Upgrade. Nothing in here. Audio Manager, that's a good idea. I totally forgot about Audio Manager. Because that's in pretty much every Unity game. It's been a long time since I've done this crap. Is there an on-GUI in here? There is not, but I will create it. So we're going to go Edit Class. Scroll all the way the hell down here where this crap is, because I like putting it last. Well, and then we'll scroll the hell up. Just put it here, I guess. Public void on GUI. Oops. I'm not bothering with like the toggle text right now since I'm just trying to get it to show up. But let's see what happens. So yeah, I don't think it's going to show up when it comes to me doing anywhere else, so I'll try Audio Manager in a minute. I put it in the function that this should be. My mouse literally does sound like a mouse. You're right. I'm never going to hear it the same way again. Thanks. I'm going to try going into a race because I did one that might be here. Yeah, it didn't show up here either. I'll compile Audio Manager here in a minute. Oh, God. Just wanted to see what happens if I complete a race real quick. What's up, legend? Welcome to the party. I should have eaten... You know, I made the same mistake tonight that I did last night. I should have eaten dinner before I streamed. I don't know if you were here when we figured it out, John. It's a licensed version of CSR. Yeah, it's like the Dubai version of CSR racing. Figured it out kind of by accident. You know, I'm going to try something else as well. Something that I didn't think I'd have to do. But I'm just going to do it to... Do it to be smart, I guess. See what happens. Because this could be my mistake the entire time and the APK is not installing. So we're going to install Lucky Patcher. See what happens. Come on. Thank you. Oh, I can't see the chat. Open it. Forever. Why? Apparently Lucky Patcher does not work with us anymore. I need a very old version of Lucky Patcher. That's not old enough. We'll try this one. Because it does make sense with... I don't think this is the legit Lucky Patcher, but we're going to try it. Please work. Cool, it works. The one thing is... I don't see what I need in this older version. Oh, God, really? So once you install it, it stops working. That's grand. Try this again. I'll do this time only and see what happens. Patch to Android's what I wanted. That one. That one. That one. Oh. It's been a long time since I've done this, so I'm kind of outdated on what this stuff means. It didn't work. Alright, doesn't work on Knox. Got it. Guess it's just not needed. Here we go. Good Lord. So it's in the audio thingy now. Let's hope. I was going to say, did I break it? Huh. Still no menu. This is interesting that it just doesn't work no matter where you put it. I mean, this should definitely show up. Yeah, that code doesn't look like it's anything that shouldn't show up. I shouldn't. I'm running Android 5 on this, Android 5.0, so that permission doesn't actually even exist. As far as I know, but I shouldn't have to enable the overlay thing, regardless, because that's for actual apps drawing over things. This is built into the app, so it doesn't matter. We're just going to put it in all of them. That one it didn't like, so we're not putting it in Awake. GT something. GT Phone Home. GT Speed Club. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else than APK Pure, but we'll try it. I'm going to try creating UE root. We need to add the using. I don't know why I capitalized that. Public void on GUI. I wonder if it's because I was forgetting to capitalize it everywhere else. Because, like, it's not capitalized here. I don't think capitalization should matter. But you never know. Like, this shouldn't matter. Rebel Racing. Huh, it's already up here. And it's gigantic. Let's see if it's IL to CPP or DLL. Oops. Minimize. IL to CPP. They did do it with this one. There's a lot of classes. Holy shit. Bet you we can change that. Oh, no. Well, it would be in the OBB file. So you could change it with that. Global metadata is here and all that. So they aren't using a new enough version that the IL to CPP downloads at runtime. That's good. So it's still moddable. Interesting. Definitely something to try to mod. I'm going to download the XAPK so we can look through the OBB. Genuinely curious. Anyway, now that I've done a lot more modding to this even more, or again, we're going to try it again, because I'm not giving up. I want my mod menu. I'm not sure what isn't working. Wonder if I could find an on GUI in a different DLL. Maybe something like put it in the actual Unity Engine DLL. I don't know if that works. I've never tried it. I don't think it would be a thing, but you never know. Maybe. Come on. Like I've been doing, we're going to go through everything. Oops. Didn't like me clicking that so fast. I broke it. There's a lot of random crap going through my computer. I totally forgot this was even open. SDK stuff. Wonder what this stuff is for. Give me a menu. Damn it. I really do not understand why the menu won't show up. Let's look at something here. Not alarms. I'm sure it could be, but nothing that's worth it. I used to have the Platin mod menu, but that just takes so long to add. I'm kind of lazy. I do have a thought that it might be the mod menu that I'm using. Yeah, it's just a bunch of random assets. So that's not anything to worry about. I mean, I've seen this menu work. I've had it work on other games. So I don't understand why it doesn't work here. Even doing the test of like just having text on screen basically isn't even working, because you can do the, where is it? You can do like where is it? Is it not in here? I thought it was. Oops. Definitely, more than likely not. It's not my kind of game, so it wouldn't be worth playing. I really shouldn't work for Platinum Mod. They are so much smarter than me. I'm just some guy that knows how to copy and paste code that I find. And then I know how to edit it once I understand how it works. You ask me to write code from scratch, you're going to get some really garbage code. I wish I was that smart. I just do this for a hobby. That's exactly what it's supposed to be, is Cowboy GTA. And they say they're going to add a lot more content to Red Dead 2. It's just the waiting game now of, are they going to add a lot more content to Red Dead 2? Or are they going to just leave it as it is? I do have another theory on why this isn't working, and I'll try it in a second after this one. Please? Thank you. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, I actually made my own tool slice for that kind of stuff. I have a custom tool that I do most of my IL to CPP with. Looks like this. So you basically just put in the offset from the text file, click true or false or custom bytes, numbers, and then hit patch and it would patch it. That's my custom tool. It's nothing great yet. I'm trying to get it to work from reading a list and actually just doing it from like custom patch text files that are created with the addresses or with the offsets and the bytes in it to set it. But I do not yet have that coded inside of this. But this does work as it sits at the moment. So it's still pretty useful in my opinion, I think. I can only do through 255 as well for custom numbers because I don't have it set up to flip-flop numbers that are put in here. So like I tried one method of reversing it and it just reversed the bytes all entirely. So I got to find a better way to do it. But right now I can only go up to 255 for that. I have not released this because it's not done. I don't know when I will consider it done, but it's not done. I do not have a Veloster anymore. I don't know if I even have the head unit files anymore, actually. I wish I knew why this wasn't working. I really wish I knew why this wasn't working. I'm going to try my other idea on why this isn't working. I'm going to uninstall it, go APK installer, and delete that because that game didn't work at all. Not yet. I don't go on the websites terribly often anymore. I just don't have a reason to. But I do know of an injector for at least some of the code. I'm so outdated, it's ridiculous. Didn't I just delete that? What did I delete? Nothing, apparently. Oop. There we go. Okay. I don't know if anybody's made a... if you use the program Ultra Edit, which you have to pay for, or Pirate, that usually works. There's a scripting element to that where you can auto-inject stuff and do stuff like that. I know Regal used to use it for... Does this recognize XAPK files? And just in... Wait. It does. Oh. Well, that's interesting. Oh, it just took the APK out of it. So now it's just downloading everything. That's really dumb. I know of doing the signature verification bypass on root when it comes to using Lucky Patcher to do it. But as far as doing it in other methods, I guess I'll say, for lack of a better term, like on a non-rooted device, for example, I know there's a way, I just don't remember because I've never needed it personally, so I never memorized it, I guess is the best way to say. So I need to file transfer. Multi-instance, virtual location. Which one was it? There we go. That's what I need. There we go. Why is it not seeing this as an XAPK? Should be here. That sounds very useful, Slice. That sounds very useful. I've heard of it. I don't remember if I've ever messed with it, to be honest. Oh, what are you? Interesting. Yeah, it's here. Maybe if I move it to... Is there an XAPK folder? I'll move it here. I don't know. And then I'll copy and put it in downloads as well. Oh yeah, that's true. I know all games are different. That's what makes modding a headache. Put it in here, just for safekeeping. There we go. Alright, are you going to see it now? Thank you. I don't know which one you're seeing, but it's one of them. Open. I definitely should. It would be a lot better. By the way, as far as like Platin mods, as much as I'd like to work with the site, I'd really also like just a grow sinful Android, but the want is gone, I guess is the best way to say it. Huh, there's a cloud save. Interesting. I've never used the one from them, but I do know other people who have. Actually, no, scratch that. I've used the public Platin mods menu once. Literally once. Yeah, so I guess it's just not gonna show. Let's try another game that's DLL. We'll find another one that's DLL. I'll install it real quick and see if the menu shows up. Actually, here, good idea, is to delete Racing Rivals. We'll close all of the ones to do with this game. I was trying to get a mod menu to show up, Savage. I'm going to do a game that I know works. I have so much crap open. Oh my god. So let's go RR. 431 is DLL. Don't have a backup for that. So actually I'm going to open one that I have a backup for. I want to make sure this still works, actually, because this could be lying to me. See if this pops up at all. I'm curious. While I'm trying to figure out where I downloaded my shit. Now I think my friend took the server down. Where did I put all the downloads for Racing Rivals? Here they are. Got it. Cool. Oh, shit. Anyway, I'm going to close that real quick. So I found the DLL that I can use. DN Spy, where are you? Oh, I can never remember what the icon looks like for DN Spy. On GUI. You know what? We're just going to do what you... Actually, yeah, we'll just do the one you said. Audio Manager. This one does not have Audio Manager. Never mind. Where's Abstract Race? Abstract Tree. Date, physics, time. Abstract Race, that's what I want. So we're going to open that up. Abstract Race, I know what's going to pop up with that. So we're going to go edit class. Public void on GUI. See if my menu is just stupid. Could definitely use some help with Racing Rivals. I have some code for some sort of server code, but there's a lot of socket connections that we don't necessarily know yet how they work. I have the basic responses and stuff like that for 7.3.0 saved. I do not have anything else useful saved, though. The only thing you need to delete from you is you. Unity and range 1, 3. Just so the code stays. There we go. So now it's in there. But now, like you said, UE root. UE event lab. They do have root. We're not going to do that. I don't know why I keep doing this. It's just one that I know very well because I used it a lot. And what I can do is actually, what I should do is just copy and paste this now. But I'll put it in update and stuff as well. This should tell me definitely if it's going to work or not. Touch location stuff, actually, that's a good idea. Touch. Allow multi-touch. I mean, I'm not going to get very far into the game with this, so I guess I shouldn't be too hopeful on this working now that I'm thinking about it. Should definitely use a game that works. That's too bad. I'm going to try this anyway for the fun of it. There we go. We'll go File, Save As, 2. Okay. Close that. Delete you real quick, because you're not needed. That's not the right folder. I don't know if you guys know how many versions of Racing Rivals I have on my computer, I have everything from Beta 2.0 that was never released publicly for Android. I could get 7.3.5, but there's no point. But I have 2.0, 3.0. I have pretty much every version. What's this mod menu? Oh, it's the same menu. And that other stuff is just for other stuff. Yeah, those don't work, so that's not a big deal. But, I'll do this one. This will be interesting if this works. When I looked earlier, I was at like 1,993, I think. I don't know what I'm at now. So that should be a real throwback to super classic players, is that icon alone. Let's see specifically where I am. youtube.com/MrDreamScene. So the menu does work. If you want to know my specific number, yeah, I'm at 1,993. So cool, the menu does work. It's that game. Cool, that even works. I didn't know that would. I definitely got to change these goddamn colors. I bet you're right. It was probably UE root. I'm going to modify this again. I'm going to open up the standard APK and only put it in UE root. So we know. Because it's just better safe than sorry, I suppose. I don't know why I scrolled like this. I could have hit U and saved all of us the trouble. Public void on GUI. There we go. Alright, so we're going to try this once more with this one. It's because the only way to set up my desk is to literally have my headset or my my Blue Yeti right next to my goddamn head, so to speak. Oh, shit. Basically, I just got to have my mouse right there because I'm right-handed, and that's the only open spot on my desk because of a monitor. Oh, hold on. Let me uninstall just to be safe. I know it works, but I'm still going to do it. And was it UE root? UI root? UI root. Got it. So cool. Good to know that works. So what function is it now for GT Speed Racing that does not have that function? Let's open up the unmodified APK, or DLL. Just search it. Does not exist. There's just UI, but that's obviously not the same. Audio didn't work. Tried adding UI root, didn't work. Find something to do with touch. On application quit. There's a lot of that. I tried UI camera, did not work. I don't think there's a UI localize. Just looking to see what's all in here. Let's see, as far as UI stuff, there is UI camera. I tried that before, that didn't work. UI localize. There's not a UI localize either. There's a lot with on application quit. Oh, this will send text messages. Huh. Why? I don't need text messages from you. Anyway, yeah, there's a lot of on application quits. Trying to, well, here, let me do this real quick. Let me do part. Car upgrades. I want the car upgrade screen. I just thought about that. The upgrade screen. Or anything. Here's the touch manager. Touch collection. See ya, John. I'm going to add it here out of the curiosity. Because it's the touch info. Oh, I don't have to code copy and paste it anymore. Yeah, I know. There we go. So there's that. And now I'll do one of the ones you suggested. On application quit. I'll add it to photon handler. I know I probably shouldn't do two at once, but you know, two's better than none. Because I'm not going to know which one worked, but at least I'll have it working, I guess, is the way that I look at it. Good Lord, I can't type. I don't think it's going to let me do it at all then. Oh, oops. Using Unity engine. Wow, I just did that. Public. No. I'm blanking out. I think that's right. Yeah, because of that other stuff being a problem, it's not going to let me modify this class. I have to, like, rename this, and I don't think it's going to like that. I mean, I guess I can. Just do AAA. And then whenever that error pops up, I'll just edit it. It's an easy one to edit, so... I am just like blanking right now. My brain's not working. Hold on, give me 1 second. Yeah, I was doing it right. Oh, I bet I forgot to delete something. I don't care if it was never used. That's weird. I mean, can I just... I'll just... That was 108. Why is this being stupid? Weird. I mean, that's not going to matter, but whatever. Well, we're going to copy all of that. Oh, idiot moment. I see it. Great. Why? That doesn't... Everything looks right. I mean, yeah, it's ugly, but... Am I just being an idiot? Your way or the highway. What's your way, sir? I'm surprised my girlfriend hasn't texted me like, hey, I'm on my way home. Oh yeah, she was at school today. What do you mean the original class? On GUI? Yeah. That's always where I put it, because the last time I looked at a tutorial for mod menus, that was the cool place to do it. Just search for an on GUI and then test it and then hope it works. It's pretty much what I was taught. Well, you're talking real quick. I'm going to try this. We're going to just delete the first 7 attempts at this. Oh, the mouse. Not sure I know what you mean. It worked. Added it to the touch section. That worked. Sweet. We got the mod menu working in here. Okay, the button doesn't work. I mean, it's not actually adding money or anything like it's supposed to, but that's okay. Maybe those functions don't actually do anything. Well, actually, it is the only place that shows up. So, it's got to do something. A lot of places that this is going to be used by. Wonder why it's not working from my button. Oh, you're talking .NET reflector stuff. God, that's something I haven't looked at in a long time. LDC.i4.1 would be true. LDC.i4.0 would be false. LDC.i4.69 would just be an integer. Add sub, that would be add and subtract. Oh, that's what it looked like you were trying to type. Fail. Just any random one? Okay. Let's see what this does. Or did you mean the on GUI that worked? IL in edit IL instructions. Oh, yeah, I haven't seen this shit in a while. God, I hate doing it this way. This is terrible. You did your mod menu through this? Wow. That's a pain in the ass. I would have quit by... No, I would not have done that. When this was still all pretty new and, like, we were just, like, as a community as a whole, we were just learning about .NET Reflector and all that, it was actually pretty cool because when I discovered auto launch for Racing Rivals, my cat is screaming like she's in heat and she's fixed. She's just an attention whore, I swear to God. When we discovered that auto launch and stuff for Racing Rivals, it was done that way because I didn't know shit on scripting. But eventually we did learn how to, or I did learn how to script it into the game, and that made it a lot easier. Now we just got to figure out why it was through the touch function down here. Come on. Touchy, touchy. There we go. So, on GUI. So it didn't actually add any money or gold, though. is weird. Or maybe it just didn't refresh. Let's see if I do. Well, I really got to make that toggleable. Oh yeah, that's true. Hey, it went away. Good. Mod menu goes away when you're in a race. Let's see what happens. So from my menu, it's not adding any money. Even though I'm calling the function the same way. That's interesting. But now that I know my menu works, I'm going to go find a new game. I'm going to find another DLL game to do this with. One that's actually worth doing it with, that has multiplayer at least. I downloaded a lot of games today. I don't even remember everything that I downloaded. Nitro Nation isn't DLL anymore, is it? I think I figured that out. No, it's not. That's not fun. Car parking isn't DLL. That was the one I started with. I'm gonna find another game. That was IL to CPP, but it's supposed to be really easy. Let's see what this is. Because now that I know my menu works and how I'm going to add it to the games, I might as well. Oh god, this looks terrible. Never mind. Just figured out basically where to put it, Savage. This hasn't had an update since February. I'm okay with that. See if it's DLL. It's pretty much I'm only willing to modify games that are DLL. It's just more fun. Drag Racing Duel. Are you DLL? You are. Come over here, my fine son. Because I want to add a menu to you. I have so much crap open. What was this? Drag Racing Duel? Yeah. Oh, I need the backup. Okay, fine. It has no name. DLL. Now that we know the menu works, at least. Alright, now let's see where to put the menu on this game. I didn't even look to see if this has multiplayer. It's not really worth it, in my opinion, if it doesn't. But good for learning, I guess. Doesn't say if it has multiplayer. I doubt it has multiplayer now that I'm looking at it, but that's okay. Let's does not have UI root. Let's look for touch. Anything. That's UI Manager, UI Touch. Well, we'll search for on GUI. Yeah, because the touch is just something I could try. UI local does not exist on this, does it? It does not. UI manager does. Let's see, where can we put this? UI layout, maybe. Oh, wait, let me look for like an audio thing. That's what I just thought of. Animated UI, on enable, on show. I do have another menu that I coded this same way that has an on enable and all that. Localization manager does seem to exist. Just gonna, oh, there's a pause menu. Ooh. I like the idea of a pause menu one. I wonder if that's only during the race, though. That would kind of suck. UI controller. I just like looking through here and finding ideas that maybe I could do it this way or a different way. Let's see. UI audio manager. UI layout. I like the idea of the pause menu, but I feel like that's only during races. Whoa. Public void on GUI. I can't spell. Although that doesn't exist anymore. Unity random range 1 4 whatever. Leave that there in animated UI. Let's see. There's also a loading screen. That's a scene loader. Kind of like a scene kid, but worse. This is an utterly pointless game to mod. I can already tell by looking at the code that I'm wasting my time on this game. But, I'll try it once and move on to a different game. Or probably go make dinner because it's 9:30. And I have not yet eaten. So, probably should. And, well, that was simple. There's the menu. And then it reappears. The graphics of this game actually look pretty good as far as the car and the landscape. I mean, I guess that isn't hard during a racing game, but I should just start adding menus to every single game. Just like every racing game, I'll just add menus to it. But now that I know my menu works and all that shit, I'm going to go eat dinner because I've been streaming for 3 hours and that was not something I meant to do today. But that's okay. So I think Anonymous Day, as it is November 5th, it's Guy Fawkes Day. I'm sure I could. Drag Racing Streets. I know I've seen that game. Oh, this game. Yeah, I remember this one. I play this game, yeah. I actually would not mod this game because I like it too much. I enjoy it way too much. I've actually already tried, sort of, because if you have a rooted device with Magisk Manager installed on your phone, the game will not let you race. It'll stop you halfway through a race and say, hey, uninstall your root. And I cannot find any code reference throughout the entire APK for Magisk. And I'm not sure why. Let me try one thing real quick while we're still here, because I just thought of it for trying to figure that out. Yeah, I was about to look literally in the Smalley code because I just remembered I forgot to do that. Modding. There it is. Somewhere in here. That's not going to be it. It's bad logic. GDX. Oh god, this is going to be a pain in the ass to find it through here. Where do you think it would be, Slice, if I'm looking at the Smalley? I mean, I guess I can just go through and search. Wait, isn't there a way I can search folders with this? Search, find in files. I'm gonna hope this works. There we go. I was thinking that this had this, but I wasn't sure. This is gonna take a fat minute with a gigantic pH. A very big pH. I guess I could have done each class's Smalley folder one at a time. Yeah. You know what? I'll do folder by folder. Actually, I need to know exactly what the thing is called. Oops. Data. What's the exact folder called? Because what I do at the moment is I actually just go in and rename the folder with root browser for Magisk, and then I name it back when I'm done playing the game. It's just easier that way because I'm lazy. So it's com.top John WU Magisk. Actually, yeah, I'll do just Magisk. Find all. Yeah, hit me up anytime. It sounds like you are a crazy knowledgeable person when it comes to the Android modding world. So would be awesome to pick your brain, maybe work on something together. You could get me back into modding. Because, frankly, I left it due to just being bored. Racing Rivals shut down, and I didn't want to mod anymore. Oh yeah, that's true. It's so hard to like figure out who's who and where and what when it comes to Discord because there's just too many people. So unless I talk to somebody often, I have no idea who's who by username. It's frozen. Does it normally freeze for you? Doesn't normally freeze for me. Holy shit. Ew. There's a picture I didn't want to see today. I pulled up Facebook and totally regret it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so Magisk, even with the Smalley, it doesn't find it. At least that's class 1. Class is 2. We'll try it again. Huh. Give me 1 second, guys. Fuel pump. Trying to somebody asked me a question about my car and I'm trying to remember the entire list of custom parts. Anyway, there we go. It comes up with a gigantic, actually here, I'll just open the game instead of being an idiot. I'll take a screenshot and then I'll post it. Maybe we can figure it out. It's that it literally detects Magisk Manager. It really does. That's pretty much the gist of it. Give me 1 second while it opens up. Search number 3. Because I have done the entire thing before, so... And I would very much enjoy to play this game. I'll update this every single time if I know where to freaking look. Let me get the error real quick. It's not a toast. It's an actual custom, like... interface thing. Oh, it's not going to pop up now, I guess. I think they removed the detection. Maybe that's why I'm not finding it. Because I just ran a successful full race without getting kicked. Let's try this again. It might just... Huh. I'm thoroughly confused because the last time I played this game, it definitely detected it. Drag Racing Streets. It used to detect route, and now it's not doing it. Let me try a tournament. Oh, the tournament doesn't start for another hour. I'm going to do one more folder search here real quick. I think they just removed the detection for it. Oh. Sweet. Anyway. Maybe what I'll do is download an older version of the game. See if I find it. So what we'll do is, because I know 5.8 it did it, but I'll do a little bit older. I'll do like 5.7. We'll just do this real quick because I'm thoroughly confused and would have been playing the game a hell of a lot more. The game's not DLL. It's custom game. I forget what game engine they use. They're using Box 2D, so it's not DLL or IL to CPP. Oops. Yeah, that's why I was having such a headache at first. But I'm going to try this real quick. And I'll do it. See if it finds it. See if it detects it. I'll just wait for it to finish, obviously. And search it real quick. Although I probably shouldn't search the whole folder because we saw how long that takes. And I'd rather just find it quickly. Because I'm an impatient person. Oh, that's a cool looking car. I don't know why I didn't do that. But it's already running. I'll let it go. Did not think about that. I'm just going to let it finish. Isn't that what they say when a dog starts humping your leg? Just let it finish? I think that's about right. Just let it finish. Oh, you actually make videos, Slice. I didn't know that. Huh. Cool. Not often, but you do. Ah, Savage, you're the one who just posted on Discord. Aw, Savage, you stream and stuff like that, but you don't unfortunately have many subs. Oh, it's done. Okay. Didn't realize it was done. Or I would have stopped browsing through people's Android or people's channels from my chat. Do. That's going to get me a copyright claim. So not in that folder. I bet you now it just doesn't find it anywhere. It just doesn't exist suddenly. But like I know literally as of last week it was detecting Magisk and I was complaining about it in some Facebook group. And now suddenly it doesn't do it. Alright, make me an idiot. Feel like an idiot, I guess. I guess it's better than feeling like a woman. Because that's a terrible song. It was literally finding it by the name of the folder in the data folder. So the com dot whatever, the folder name basically for Magisk. That's how it was finding it, was com dot whatever dot Magisk. So that's basically why I'm searching for it this way. But frankly, it doesn't seem to exist anymore. Oops. Search the unknown folder real quick and give up after that. One other place I'll search is... I know that sounds pointless, but I'll do it. Nope. This game makes me feel like an idiot. I don't think it's going to find anything there. Ah. Huh. I mean, I knew about this file, but I know the current version that's installed on my phone has this file unmodified because it's the Play Store version of the game. So basically, this is just a big list of root stuff. Lucky Patcher, APK Patcher, Freedom, Creehack, Game Spectre. Hide rooting. But I don't know. Oh well. I'm going to go eat now because I'm dying a little bit on the inside and should probably eat. I've been out of the modding game for so long. Get it? I've been out of modding for so long that I don't even know what the new stuff is. So, like, the last time I think I released a good APK mod was when we were just figuring out we could make mod menus with .NET Reflector or DNSpy. So it was a long time ago. It's been quite some time, actually. But it is what it is. I'm going to go make dinner because I need to eat eventually. Just like every other human on the planet. But I'll talk to you guys later. That was a ton of fun. Did not mean to stream for 3.5 hours, but you know that is what it is. Oh, just hit me up anytime on Discord. I'm always down to like collaborate and stuff like that too. So that could be a lot of fun. I would love to do something like that. But again, it's finding people with like-minded ideas. Yeah, you probably should because I still don't know what your username on Discord is. I know who Tech is because he just posted in my. That sounds weird. It sounds like I'm talking about myself. Unless your username is literally. You know what? I'm gonna do this for you and Tech. Y'all are groupies. Morph belongs in groupies. Who else belongs in groupies? I haven't modified the groupies group in a while, so... Yeah, whatever, I'll figure it out later. Oh. Well, that's easy. Where, oh, where are you? I don't see you in my Discord. Yeah, I don't see you. Post in like the general chat or something, and I'll go from there. Oh, maybe not. I'll just do that. There we go. I made my life easy. Oh, you're on that one. Oh, I thought you were in my other Discord. Okay, I was looking in the wrong Discord. Got it. You're on the Lith Archive Discord. I really probably should just combine the Lith Archive Discord and my TechX Discord, but like, nah. Whatever. Anyway, I'll stream again eventually. It should be in the description. If it's not, let's see if this invite link even still works. Yes, it does. So, there we go. Because I actually have a special group for people I actually talk to on my personal channels Discord. So if you hop on that one, I'm not on the Nitto Challenge Discord. I heard the game is down and has been for maybe some time because who knows when it's going to be back up. I left that project a long time ago because reasons, but that's okay. That's a stream for another day if I want to tell that story yet again. But just looking real quick. Whatever. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get off of here. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this looks fun. They have the DR30 skyline. That's one of my favorite skylines. I don't know why. Interesting. Yeah, I left the 1320 challenge project in May, March or May. Something like that. Excuse my nose. What up? Before I go. Before I run away and die. JK. Not going to do that. Alright, I'm good. Alright, time to go raid my refrigerator. I'll talk to you guys later. That was fun. Got a menu working. That's good to know that I have a working menu. And I'll talk to you guys later. Minecraft Earth? What? Is this out? Same way you would have joined the challenge Discord, I think. I thought it was like the last time I saw it, it was a private beta. Gonna have to try to mod that. Anyway, I need to stop. I'm just gonna hit the stop button. So. Oh, Jesus. So, like, hover.